Most people get this wrong and assume a vanilla prepaid card works like a bank account where you can just add money anytime. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is trying to reload it directly without checking the card type first. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, most vanilla prepaid cards are actually non-reloadable. That means once the balance is used, the card is done. But there are still some reloadable prepaid Visa or MasterCard versions that people confuse with vanilla cards. In this video, you'll learn how to check if your vanilla card can be reloaded, what to do if it cannot, and the correct way to add funds if your card supports reloads. And stick around, because in a minute, I'll show you the mistake Alex made that caused him to lose access to his remaining balance. Let's start simple. First, check the back of your card or packaging. If it says non-reloadable, then you cannot add money to it. That is the most common version of vanilla gift cards. John once tried to reload his card at a store and got confused when the system rejected it. The reason was simple. The card was never meant to be reloaded. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you actually have a reloadable prepaid Visa or MasterCard product from a similar brand, the process is different. Those cards usually allow you to add funds through a participating retailer, bank transfer, or online account portal. But here's the problem. Many users mix up gift cards with prepaid debit cards. Gift cards are for one-time use. Prepaid cards are designed for repeated loading. If you confuse the two, you'll always run into errors. If your card is reloadable, the next step is to register it online. Most issuers require you to create an account on their official website. Once registered, you can link your identity and funding source. From there, you can add money depending on the provider's rules. Now, let's talk about a common mistake. Alex once assumed he could reload his vanilla gift card at a retail store checkout. He kept trying different locations, but none worked because the card type was non-reloadable. Once he checked the card details online, he realized the issue immediately. Also, always watch for fees. Reloadable prepaid cards often have loading fees or monthly maintenance charges. If you are not careful, you can lose value over time without noticing. So can you reload a vanilla prepaid card in 2026? The answer depends on the card type. Most vanilla gift cards cannot be reloaded, but some prepaid Visa or MasterCard versions can be, if they are specifically designed for it. To wrap it up, remember this. Check your card type first, understand whether it is reloadable, and never assume all prepaid cards work the same way. If this helped clear things up, hit like, leave a comment with your question, and subscribe for more simple money and card guides.